Alright, it's been a while since I got mail, but now let's see what's inside in my mailbox. Right? Oh, okay, I got a box. Let me take it. I need to show my friends this. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Hey, y'all! You gotta see this.
Oh, hey there, Yukichi. Come in, come in. What do you have?
Well, to answer that question, Void, I got this box from my mailbox. Oh, okay. Come on, open it. Yeah, I'm so interested to see what's inside. Come on, Yukichi, open it. I'm interested. Huh. Now that's an intergalactic box in a box.
Oh, now that looks interesting. Let's bring it to the table and see what's inside.
2 minutes later. Alright, y'all. Now that we have this intergalactic box on our table, let's open it and see what's inside. Yukichi, why is there a postcard? Oh, sorry. I'll get rid of it.
Okay, what the heck are these two things?
That must be the compartments. Oh, and plus these 3 papers. I think they're instructions, but I'm not really sure. Anyways, before we check out what's inside that cube-looking thing, let's open that purplish blue box.
Alright, Spacey, let's see what's inside that purplish blue box. So it has 3 compartments inside that box.
Oh yeah, and for sure they look interesting. First we got this fire hydrant thingy. I don't really know what it is, but it looks pretty cool. I like the stars. Then we got this cool looking bag, and oh man, I love it. It has so many stars. And this comes with a lot of stickers. I don't really know why, but they look interesting. Oh my god, even one of them has zodiac signs? And constellations? Oh my god, I'm already liking this. But we still have one last thing. So let's open it and see the moment of truth. Oh, okay. So we got this cool hollow cube. Wait, hold on. I feel like something is bothering me. This looks suspiciously familiar. Spacey, can you put the stickers on? Sure thing, Yukichi. I will do that. 3 minutes of stickering later. Alright, now this looks more familiar. Alright, I have my doubts now. Isn't that the infamous Rubik's Cube? Oh my god, you're right. I can't believe it's a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, it's a very popular puzzle, you know. It has been really fascinated.
Oh my god, Yukichi, you're right. It is a Rubik's Cube. I haven't seen anything like that in ages.
Yeah, me neither. Are you all thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, Yukichi, let's become speed cubers! Good idea, Ku. Let's play around with it.